Ranveer,
Hmm?
wasn't it a great trip?
Yeah, had a good time.
Oh, I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Same here. So, where are we going next?
Since the time we bought our newer sport, Ranveer and I have been experiencing the things that we've been putting in our bucket list since years. Paragliding, scuba diving, camping.
And whitewater rafting?
Exactly. You name it, and we do it all. We just look forward for our trips. I guess the entire credit goes to our new SUV. Isn't it?
Oh, for sure. The Nuvo Sport comes with a bold stance and is really sporty and aggressive in its looks. And to complement its aggressive look, it has a M-Hawk engine that generates a good amount of power.
Earlier, I wasn't fond of driving. But with newer sport, it has changed completely. The main reasons for this is AMT, Automated Manual Transmission. Even in the traffic condition, your AMT makes the newer sport absolutely easy and fun to drive. And you know what? The moment you get into the newer sport, you will feel as if you've got into a plush setting. Plus, you have the perfect companion in the touchscreen infotainment system. The width and the height of the newer sport is the best among compact SUVs, which provides enough room to accommodate 5 plus 2 seats. Also, you have the flexibility of folding, flipping, and reclining the second row.
And do you know, the Nuvo Sport is built on the same new generation platform as that of the Scorpio. To add on, comfort suspension and anti-roll technologies ensure superior ride and handling. Nuvo Sport is a complete car. It has the sporty look that complement its peppy performance. Nuvo Sport's bold SUV stance is something that makes it stand out on the road. Want to see a new SUV? Check it out.
Well, I find the looks of the newer sport really very sporty.
That's true. In fact, if you take a look, the whole stance is so stylish, so aggressive, that when you take a look at the individual design features, they are pretty cool too.
Exactly. I still remember the first time I saw the car, and I was instantly sold onto these trendy looking daytime running lights.
Talking about looks, just take a look at this bonnet scoop and this front grille. They add to the aggression of the Nuvo Sport, and the bonnet too looks muscular.
I so agree with you, Ranveer.
Now let's have a look at the sides. As you can see, the imposing wheel arches and side body claddings, it adds to the SUV stance of the vehicle. Also, these sporty 16-inch alloy wheels look quite premium, don't they?
Even these side indicators look very classy with these chrome accents, doesn't it?
It does.
Let's check the rear side. Yeah.
I must say the rear styling looks very attractive. The spare wheel mounted on the tailgate completes the true blue SUV look of the Nuvo Sport. Plus, it is also enhanced by the sporty rear spoiler.
Also, the smoke effect on the tail lamp makes it look really premium. Ranveer, I would suggest you must tell them about the Nuvo Sport's performance.
Definitely.
Come on.
The Nuvo Sport is a fun-to-drive SUV. Its 1.5 Mhawk 100 diesel engine with two-stage turbocharger delivers 100 bhp power and 240 Nm of torque for a sporty driving experience. The Nuvo Sport is built on Mahindra's new generation platform on which the Mahindra Scorpio is also based on, so you are assured of excellent ride and handling. The comfort suspension and anti-roll technologies provide higher flexibility and greater shock absorption for a comfortable ride.
Come on, let me take you inside the car. The black and grey theme and the great fit and finish makes the interiors of the Nuvo Sport look really upmarket. And the faux leather seat makes it look really plush and ready to sink into.
Absolutely. With its best-in-class width and height among compact SUVs, the Nuvo Sport is really spacious. It allows you to seat 7 people with its 5+2 sitting arrangement. Not only that, the flexible sitting arrangement is a first in compact SUVs, which enables you to recline the second row. Let us have a look. As you can see, the second row seat can be folded in a 60-40 ratio, and it can be flipped and folded down completely. As you can see, the third row seat can be further folded down to enable additional recline of the second row backrest. Let me show you that. Hey Neha,
Yep,
where is the clutch pedal?
Ranveer, it doesn't have one because it has an AMT, automated manual transmission, which makes your driving so effortless. You don't have to keep pressing the clutch or keep shifting the gears. And in case you want to shift to the manual transmission mode, you can do that just with the touch on the gear shift.
Nuvo Sport has several features that will make your driving experience a memorable one. It has a smart infotainment system.
Oh yes, this one is a touchscreen. For audio streaming, you have FM, AM and also CD player. In fact, when you're not driving, you can actually play your videos through DVDs. And this is not it. It is also Bluetooth enabled.
Yes, that means you can receive calls without lifting your hands off the steering. Plus, you can also control the infotainment system right here from the steering. The controls for the audio are given here and the Bluetooth over here. For versatile performance, the Nuvo Sport is equipped with Eco Power mode, which gives you the option to choose between higher fuel efficiency and higher performance. Additionally, the advanced micro-hybrid technology enables higher fuel efficiency and lower emissions when you switch off the engine when you stop in traffic. You can again start the engine by simply pressing the brake. The AC also has an Eco mode, which modulates the compressor frequency and helps save fuel. The Nuvo Sport comes equipped with the driver information system, which gives all the important alerts like distance to empty, average fuel economy, the high speed warning alert and the gear shift and many more. The Nuvo Sport also comes with a cruise control mode. So if you are going on a long drive, all you have to do is set the speed on the cruise mode and you can give the other foot the much needed rest.
And this reverse assist feature makes parking in compact places absolutely hassle-free.
And you know, the outside rear view mirrors can be electrically adjusted from the inside itself, like this.
Let us talk about the boot space. It has best-in-class boot space with a capacity of 412 liters, which can be further expanded up to 850 liters. That ensures ample space for your luggage and your adventure gear. You will also notice flat floor on the second row. It enables you to get in and get out of the car easily. It also ensures a comfortable drive for all 3 passengers in the second row.
Speaking of comfort, the driver's seat can be adjusted according to one's height. You can adjust the height of the seat from here. You can take the seat forward and behind from here. And you can recline the backrest from here. The lumbar support for the driver and co-driver gives much needed support to your lower back and gives the right posture during long drives. This could be done with the help of this knob.
And these armrests on the driver's and the co-driver's seat helps reduce fatigue during long drives. Interestingly, it can be adjusted as per one's comfort. And for all your storage needs, the Nuvo Sport has ample space in it. Like there are bottle holders, magazine pockets, and there's much more.
And the chrome accented instrument cluster, the AC vents and the knobs gives the interiors a very premium finish. Plus, the aluminium scuff plates and the aluminium pedals reminds you of the sporty nature of the Nuvo Sport. All in all, the Nuvo Sport is quite stylish from inside, and it even has a goggle holder.
I must say, Mahindra ensures high safety standards in their SUVs, and even with Nuvo Sport, it is no different. The Nuvo Sport comes with dual airbags for the driver and the co-driver, which protects you from frontal collisions. There are also side intrusion beams to protect the passengers from the side impacts. The Nuvo Sport is equipped with ABS with EBD, which offers improved vehicle control on braking. The front fog lamps ensures enhanced safety in inclement weather conditions. For a safe and hassle-free drive, there is a provision to adjust this height of the seatbelt, so that when you wear the seatbelt, it fits onto your shoulders and does not irritate your neck or your body. The Nuvo Sport has speed sensing auto door locks, which means the doors will automatically get locked once the speed reaches to 20 km per hour. This is also complemented by child lock for additional safety. And when you leave your car parked, the digital immobilizer ensures high security against car thefts.
This high-tech anti-theft digital immobilizer comes with an encrypted key recognition system for additional security. This is certified by the globally renowned Messrs Thatcher. Thatcher is a globally renowned security system evaluation organization, and Mahindra & Mahindra Limited is the first Indian OEM to be certified by Thatcher for electronic immobilizer.
All in all, the Nuvo Sport is a perfect companion for your active lifestyle. Its sporty and aggressive styling, the auto-shift technology, the new generation platform and comfort suspension makes your driving experience absolutely enjoyable and comfortable. And not to forget, its flexible 5+2 seating arrangement, which gives you all the space that you need for your adventure gear to go out there and do it all.